What if I told you there's a secret to getting rich while you sleep? A way for your money to work harder than you do? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's not magic, it's compound interest. And if you master it, financial freedom is within your reach. Let's dive in. The simple magic of compound interest. Imagine this, you invest $100 today, and it grows at 10% per year. After the first year, you have $110. Simple enough, right? But here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you don't just earn 10% on your original $100, you also earn 10% on the extra $10 you gained last year. This little snowball keeps rolling, year after year, growing bigger as it picks up speed. This is the power of compound interest. Over time, it can transform hundreds into thousands, and with enough patience, thousands into millions. It's not just about how much you invest, it's about starting early and letting time work its magic. The shocking numbers behind it. Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're investing $500 every single month, and it grows at an annual return of 10%. After 10 years, you'd have about $103,000. Not bad, right? But here's where the numbers start to get jaw-dropping. Stick with it for 20 years, and your investment grows to a whopping $344,000. Now, hang on to your seat, because if you keep going for 40 years, it skyrockets to an incredible $2.65 million. All this from just $500 a month. That's the breathtaking power of compound interest, working quietly behind the scenes while you let time do its thing. The mistake that costs you millions. Let's talk about a mistake that could cost you millions, starting too late. Most people put off investing, and here's why that's a costly error. Meet Emma and John. Emma starts investing $200 a month at age 20 and stops after just 10 years. Meanwhile, John waits until he's 30 and invests $200 a month all the way until he's 60. Now, here's the shocking twist. Even though John invested for 3 decades longer, Emma ends up wealthier. Why? Because her early start gave her a massive advantage in compound growth. This is the lesson. Time is your most powerful ally in building wealth. Don't wait to start investing. So, how do you start investing today, even if you're broke? It's simpler than you might think. Step 1, open an investment account. This could be for stocks, index funds, or ETFs. Find what works best for you. Step 2, commit to investing consistently, even if it's as little as $5 a day. That's right, small amounts add up over time. Step 3, reinvest your earnings so compound interest can do its magic. Every dollar earned goes back to work for you. And finally, step 4, be patient. Remember, time is your most powerful ally in building wealth. The sooner you start, the greater the results. No excuses, start today. The money sleeping trick to become rich. Imagine your money as a team of tiny employees, tirelessly working 24/7, even while you sleep. Each dollar you invest becomes another worker in your financial army. The more you invest, the larger your team grows, and the faster your wealth multiplies. What's incredible is that these workers don't get tired or take breaks, they just keep compounding your earnings over time. So, the secret isn't about working harder yourself, it's about letting your money work harder for you, building wealth even when you're not watching. Real-life millionaires who use this trick. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest individuals in the world, attributes much of his massive fortune to one simple principle: compound interest. But here's the exciting part, it's not just reserved for billionaires. Everyday people have harnessed the same power to build life-changing wealth. By investing consistently and staying patient, countless ordinary investors have grown modest savings into million-dollar portfolios. The trick? Start early, invest regularly, and let time and compound interest work their magic for you. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time? Right now. Click the link below to start your investing journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see this. Your future self will thank you.